If we flag or fail at least one inspection check field on a procedure and mark the work order as done, we are given the option to generate a new work order for the required corrective action. The new work order contains all information from the original work order, including the asset and the location. The title has been updated to reflect that the work order is for a corrective action. The description contains a link to the original work order. The procedure on the new work order consists only of those inspection check fields that were flagged or failed on the original work order. The corrective action work order is open by default and assigned to the assignees of the original work order. We can make edits on the corrective action work order, such as adjusting priority and adding assignees.